Hi everybody, and welcome to my May Plan With Me video. This month I decided to do a theme dedicated to a place I visited this summer for the first time and I absolutely fell in love with it, and that place is San Francisco. So I decided to stick mainly with the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, which everyone is probably very familiar with. So hopefully, even if you've never been to San Francisco, you love this theme. So I hope you find this video inspiring and helpful, and let's get started. Just a quick interjection to say that I totally messed up my monthly calendar. I started the month on Thursday. The month starts on Wednesday, so I am off on my whole month by a day, but oh well, I am not even gonna try to fix it. I'm just gonna go with it, you know. I'll just always know that I'm off a day. So mistakes happen, and don't beat yourself up if they do, but it does suck a little bit, but what can we do? I guess I could go and just change the days to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but honestly, I'm just gonna leave it. Oh well. I even outlined it, so even when you outline, be careful because you might make mistakes, but again, oh well. There we go, guys. Here is my complete monthly spread for May. I kept my cover page pretty simple with just the Golden Gate Bridge. I did a silhouette of two little sailboats, although they kind of look like shark fins, so depending on your opinion, you can say whichever. And then I did a simple quote, because when you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing, which I thought fit in with the iconic sight of the bridge. And for my calendar, I also wanted to keep this pretty simple, so I did a cute little outline of the bridge here and then kept mostly black with little pops of the red color, and I used this simple and short quote, "Stay golden," which I thought fit the theme of the Golden Gate Bridge pretty well. And we're just gonna completely ignore my big mistake on this page. It's my journal, I'll know that I'm off a day, whatever. And then I did a simple habit tracker, and I actually don't usually do habit trackers, but there are two things that I've been slacking off on lately. I really have been forgetting to take my vitamins, and my sweet tooth has been crazy lately. So these are two things that I'm gonna try to track this month, and hopefully that can set me back on the right path. And then this is my little thought garden page where I can jot down any thoughts I have throughout the month. And I just did a cute little Golden Gate Bridge popping out of the clouds, because if you've been to San Francisco, then you know that it is pretty cloudy and foggy around the bridge at times. So I thought that was a cute little detail. And then this page is my 60-mile goal for running. I am a runner, and the past couple months I've kind of been losing my motivation to get my miles in. So I thought I would set a goal of 60 miles, and I made this graph that I can track them. So it's just going to be a little line graph, and we'll see if I can meet my goal of 60 miles. I'm thinking of adding a quote up here. I just wasn't sure which one I should do. So if you know any motivational quotes, running specific or just in general, leave a comment, and that would be really helpful because I can't find one that I like. And then lastly, this is just my weekly log. I like to keep my weeklies pretty simple. I might go and add a few doodles throughout the weeks. Just, it depends on my mood, honestly, but I don't need a lot of space for my weeklies, so I like to do one page for a week. And that leaves me a separate page if I ever want to add a quote or anything, really. So thank you for watching my monthly video. I hope you found this helpful and that it inspired you and that you liked the theme. I know it's probably one of my favorite themes I've done, honestly, just because I loved when I went to San Francisco. So, thanks for watching.